Hi, I'm Preston DeGuys. For this video, I'll show you how to use Avamar to recover a SQL Server database as SQL backup files. In this video, I'll be using SQL Server 2008 on Windows 2016, but the process is the same for more recent versions. So let's get started. First, I'll have a look in SQL Management Studio at my databases. I'm going to recover the PMDG database as flat files. Now, while you can recover databases directly into SQL Server, recovering as files can be useful whenever there's pre-processing required or you need to copy the files to another environment entirely. I'll log into the Avamar UI via Firefox. Since this is just a lab environment, I'll use the MC user account. Once I'm in Avamar, I'll go to the Asset Management area, browse to my client, select it, and click the Restore button to start the recovery wizard. Restoring to flat files is really simple. First, I choose the backup I want to use. Now, I'm going to restore it back to the original client, so I click Next. Then I drill down to select the database that I want to recover. Once I've selected that, I click Next. And here I choose Restore SQL Server Backup as Files to the File System and browse to the file system using the Windows File System plugin. In this case, I'm going to recover it to the C:\temp directory. I can leave all the other options as they are, clicking through until I finish the wizard and start the recovery. Then I'll switch through to the activity area to monitor the recovery until it completes. Okay, my recovery is complete. I'll just view the details from the recovery first. It looks good, so I'll close my Avamar interface and go check out the recovered files. I need to rename the files from their .stream names to .back. After I've done that, SQL Server will be able to see the files as SQL backup files. Then I'll be able to launch back into SQL Management Studio and run a database recovery from those files, creating a new database. Once I'm in Management Studio, I'll right-click Database and choose Restore Database. Now I'm going to recover as a different database, so I input its name first. Then I browse to the database backup file. I need to add the backup file I restored from Avamar into the Restore wizard here. And then, of course, remember to actually select the database. Once I'm done with that, I can restore. Okay, my restore is complete and I've now imported that database into my SQL Server. I'll review the database list to confirm. Thanks for watching this video and be sure to check out the blog for more data protection details.